Come with me as I make my Food Network channel debut. Now, y'all know by day I'm a lunch lady and I love my job, but I've also been working very hard in building my food empire brick by brick and talking about it to anyone who will listen. So when this opportunity came around, I could think of only one person who would be the best fit, and that's my daddy. There he is, Papa Greg. Now, the funny thing is, my dad has always wanted to be on TV cooking, specifically to beat Bobby Flay. So Bobby Flay, when you see this, just know you got a challenge. It's also been a very long time since I've seen my dad this excited about anything. Well, except for my niece, because she is the first grandkid, so that too. The audition process was a lot. Every day I would get off of work, I'd go to my parents' house, and me and my dad would practice recipes, Zoom calls, and all the things. But before we knew it, we were on a plane headed to New Orleans. Now, it had been a while since I had been to New Orleans, and as you can see right here, I was fighting for my life because, baby, that humidity turned me every which way but loose. So now we're just waiting on our ride. How you feeling, Dad?
Hey, we in New Orleans. Yeah.
Yeah. I know, right? When in New Orleans, everything counts as water, right? Now hydrated, we finally made it to our destination, our hotel for our stay, and it was nice. The Kimpton. We are back down south. We are in New Orleans, honey. The production team is taking such good care of us. We are at the Kimpton, I think they call it, Hotel Fontenot, maybe. I don't know if that's how you say it, but amazing room. We literally just touched down. We have been traveling all day. We have an early day tomorrow. They have already stressed it, like, get your rest, don't do nothing too wild, don't wild out too much tonight because you're gonna be on set all day tomorrow. So yeah, we are here. I cannot believe it, y'all. We are in New Orleans. We're about to compete. I'm just still tripping. God is good. Like, God is amazing. So yes, let's do this thing. Then we freshened up and headed downstairs to one of the restaurants and had a bite to eat. Hey, Dad.
Live in New Orleans. We got to be ready at 6:30.
Yes.
Cassie called 6:30.
Yes, on the dot. And the food. If you know, you know, New Orleans has the best food. But stay tuned for part 2 because we still got more to tell you about our debut on the Food Network channel. Until next time.